Probably should have fixed it. Oh well. Anyways, welcome back to my channel. So today we're having seafood boil. Hang on. Yeah, so we're having a seafood boil. I've got snow crab, mussels, there are some shrimp in here, and then got some potatoes. I think that's it. But I'm super excited. I got my sauce. And of course my lemons. I do have one that's already been kind of squoze, so, but anyways. Yeah. So we had this ginormous seafood boil on Saturday. I'm already burping. Anyways, it was seriously 10 pounds of crab. I don't know how many pounds of mussels or how many pounds of shrimp. We had a lot. And so there was some extra. Drinking some beer. Get those burps going, since a lot of people actually seem to enjoy it. So yeah, let's get started. How about you guys sit down, eat, and burp with me? Okay, yeah, let's get started. I'm so excited. I've been on a kick with watching Kim Tai eating seafood. Daughter's crying because she's supposed to be taking a nap and she's fighting it. Anyways, yeah, so I've been watching Kim Tai a lot. And yeah, it just looks so yummy when she eats. I also had to add more butter to my sauce because, I mean, I shared it with my husband. And so the butter went kind of low. So I just added a little bit more. Anyways, I hope you guys are having an amazing Monday. I hope I didn't dry it out too much by, I don't know, the tip kind of, it's a little bit dry from me reheating it. That's okay. Hopefully the bigger part of the leg isn't. And my sauce is a little bit spicier this time than it was the last time. I should have brought the frickin' cracker things. I've been struggling trying to get used to these nails. Come on now. Can't waste any of the onions. Come on. How was your guys' weekend? Were you guys ready for it to be Monday? I wasn't. I miss my husband when he's gone. There's sometimes where that beard thingy is still in these little tiny ones. So you have to look before you eat it. But dropping the onions. Can't waste any of them. So we went to a buffet yesterday, and it was a Chinese one. Are they all Chinese? I don't know. But they had a lot of seafood there. And they had the New Zealand green lip mussels. And they were really good, and I wish that I could have brought some home, so. I forgot to look in that one. Hold on. Anyways, because the green lip mussels, they're my favorite. See, this one has it. Come on. Yucky. Yucky yuck. Sorry, I'm a weirdo. I probably won't get to the shrimp. I don't know. I tried eating them the other day and I struggled. I struggled to chew them. So, oh, that was another thing. The buffet had the shrimp with the heads on. I was definitely missing my sauce. It would have been so good to be able to, I mean, you guys already know, I think, that I like to suck the heads and stuff. I mean, you do with the crawfish, but shrimp are my favorite. Yeah, see, this one is almost done. Anyways, I really wish that I could have brought some of those home. See, that's what you're supposed to do. Good job. Come on. It just really does not want to. There we go. I think that one's done. But yeah, so we had 10 pounds of crab. And by the time we all like tapped out, there was like 5 clusters left. It was seriously crazy. I honestly didn't even think that we would get it down to that point, but... And I only ate like a cluster and a half because I just wasn't feeling like I wasn't that hungry that day for reasons. This is so good though. That one made a weird sound. I don't know. Oh. Come on. Break. It's definitely a lot harder to open them when they've been reheated. Come on. Yeah, see, usually I'm like pretty quick about opening them, but still not used to my nails. But anyways, what did you guys do this weekend? Well, this past weekend. You know what I mean. Potatoes are so good. See, these ones are like not cleaned out very good. I had thought about bringing rice into this mukbang as well, but I decided not to. I felt like I already had quite a bit here. Since it was kind of like a party weekend. My hangover from Saturday has lasted until partially till today. So I'm sure some of you guys saw the video I posted yesterday of me, my husband, and one of our friends trying the sour pickle balls. It was just a short, funny video. My husband has the best reactions to things. Usually I give the claw to my husband, but I mean, it's not that I don't like it or anything. It's just tough to get into. So I won't be trying that. Whew. Guys, I'm already getting full. I just need to keep burping, make more room. I already saw it. Heck. Oh, this one has a big one. Come on. My son is out there watching mukbangs. By the way, I look at like other mukbangers like with braces. And it's like, I don't know, why do my teeth bother me so much? Like, when I'm eating. And it doesn't seem like it bothers them that much. Like, do they just push through? Push through and just eat whatever? I don't know. Just makes me wonder. Like, are my teeth going to just fall out or something? It's kind of what it feels like sometimes. I'm going to the chiropractor for the first time, and I'm so scared. My husband just barely started going. He went to his second appointment this morning. And he was freaking out too. But I know that I need it, so I'm just going to do it and see how it is, I guess. See, I need like a really, really big burp to just come out and make it feel like I haven't even eaten anything yet. That's what I need. Come on, get off of there. I don't want to eat you. I have to get the pokey part off too, so I don't frickin' get stabbed in the gums. I just realized I have a piece of potato on my arm. Yeah, so guys, I am trying to get videos out as much as I can. There's some days where, like with my two youngest kids, that it gets kind of stressful. So there might be days where I won't post because I'm just so overwhelmed already. I think, I don't know. Everybody has their days though, right? Right. Mm. I hate it. I swear my burps just get stuck. And then they laugh at me and say, nope. Not until after you're done recording and then you can do a big one. Sorry guys, I'm being like really weird today. But I've been super excited to record today. Like, yesterday, I felt like crap. But I was still so excited for today so that I could eat crab with my friends. Yeah, yesterday I felt like shit, basically. Me and my husband both woke up still feeling like we were drunk. And then, of course, you have to go through the hangover phase, and it's basically lasted until today. And for me, when I get hungover, it makes it really hard for me to eat. But it was fun. It was a lot of fun. That one is... I wish you guys could feel this. Like, look at it. It's not even, like... It bends a little right here. But it's like... It's dried out. Which is funny, because this is probably the biggest leg. Out of all of them. Like, seriously, look at that. Oh, no. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Yes. Oh, no. I mean, there's part of it. Almost. My stomach is making weird sounds right now. I just want one more of these and I think I'm done. Unless a burp can come out and help me. Ew, I don't want this one. The beard was huge in that one. Oh, look. This one doesn't have it. Not really, anyways. Sorry, that was gross. It's weird. Because I want more, but then I don't. Because I feel so full. What? Not right now. You just ate. I will give you chips when I come out, okay? I swear he's hitting like a growth spurt or something. Because I think he's always eating. But he's also probably the pickiest child that we have. makeup. I still kind of want more, even though I just wiped my hands off. There's like pieces of potato in it because we put the potatoes in the actual boil. I just want one more. And then I'll let you guys go. Because I've been on here for like over 30 minutes. Okay. I don't know what he's doing. Elliot. What? Tinsley is sleeping. Yes, you need to be quiet, buddy. Okay. Okay, anyways, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Lots of love, my WillowBBs. Bye.